again, we've been pretty warm the last few days. As we continue to warm up for the rest of the weekend, we're going to see finally some clearer skies. Now through the morning hours, we do have overcast skies, and we even have the chance for a little bit of fog this morning. So you want to watch out for that. If you have to leave the house today, if anyone's going back to work, you might be met with a little bit of fog. Though this afternoon, clouds do start to clear, so we get some sunshine, and then those temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 70s. Now we'll slowly warm up as we head through the mid-morning hours. By lunchtime, we're going to be in the upper 60s, low 70s, and again, the high for the day, low to mid 70s. Now taking a look at Storm Tracker 3S, we do have a few clouds out there, but overall, it is going to be a pretty good day today and nice tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be in the mid 70s yet again. Warm, but winds start to pick up already by Saturday afternoon, only seeing gusts up to 15 miles per hour. So as we're going through the next couple of days, the whole weekend, these winds are going to start to gust out of the south. So here we go, Saturday afternoon, mostly up to 15, maybe 20 miles per hour, but winds pick up even more, strengthening through Sunday ahead of that cold front. So we're going to see winds gusting 20 to 25 miles per hour throughout the day on Sunday, again, ahead of that cold front. Now the cold front starts to push in pretty late Sunday afternoon. So as you're making your way through the weekend, this is about 5:30 in the morning on Sunday. We have a few clouds, but overall a nice start to our day. And then we're going to start to see that organized line moving through. Now this is right along that sharp cold front. And there it goes. I mean, just a very clear line of that cold front moving through. And then those winds are out of the northwest behind it. Now look at that wind chill as the cold front pours in. This cold air just filters into the area by Monday morning. So this is when a lot of people are going back to work. We're going to see these temperatures in the mid to even upper 30s, like Blytheville, Dyersburg in the upper 20s. Now our wind chill for the rest of the afternoon is still going to feel like we're only in the upper 20s, and then heading into Tuesday, that cold air just really takes hold of the mid-south, and we're only going to feel like we're in the teens. Now over the next few days after that, as we end 2025 and head into the new year, temperatures return back to average that Wednesday and Thursday into the upper 40s, low 50s. We have more rain chances coming up next week. Now you can see, obviously, still pretty cloudy out there, Shelby Farms camera. Overall, the clouds are starting to clear, especially on the Arkansas side, but they held off quite a bit. So we didn't get to warm up as much as we wanted to. We're hoping for mid 70s. We're going to be closer to the lower 70s, about 72 degrees. But those clouds slowly but surely again are going to start to clear. Taking a look at Storm Tracker 3S, you can see where our end of the clouds are, just moving through Little Rock and then right along the river, and then going to start to push in again for the next couple of hours. So this afternoon, we're going to get a lot more sunshine. Temperatures will still be mild, again, about 71, 72 degrees. And then those winds start to die down as well. We did see some gusty winds this morning. Now, as we continue through the rest of the weekend, winds pick back up on Saturday. So we're looking at 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts on Saturday afternoon. And then on Sunday, look at that, 25 to even pushing up to 30 miles per hour. This is by about 11 a.m. on Sunday, but continue. Look at that cold front just move through. You can see where the outflow of that storm is, that line of purple over there. That's the outflow of the cold front. So we're going to see some really gusty winds as that front pushes in. Look at that, 40 miles per hour in Blytheville, Forest City. Now we could see that start to die down by Monday morning, but in fact, not enough time to actually give us a chance to warm up. So we're going to see some bitterly cold wind chills as well because of those wind gusts. Now taking a look at our extended forecast. So this is watching that cold front push in and see the line of storms developing. Now we are in a marginal risk for severe weather, which is just a level 1 out of 5 risk, but this storm just organizes so quickly. And so we're going to get this line of showers and thunderstorms pushing in. This is about 10 to 10:30 p.m. at the start of this system. But if we get some clear skies for Sunday afternoon, that's going to be causing a little bit more of a chance for some explosive storms on that cold front line. And then it all clears out by about 5 a.m. But then we have those gusty winds right behind it out of the northwest, which is going to just make us feel so much colder than we actually are. Actual temperatures low 30s, but the wind chill Monday morning is going to be in the low 20s to teens. That lasts all the way through Tuesday. where our overnight low is going to be 24 degrees, but our wind chill is going to be in the low teens. So it's going to be really cold the next couple of days to start our work week, Monday and Tuesday. But then there it is by New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, back up to more seasonable temperatures. Overall, I mean, I would say a pretty great